Welcome to another video of CAD and Sorcery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to represent coating and painting on your model and how to extract information from them. Stay until the end of this video to find out how we can extract this information. In this video, I'm going to show you two methods to achieve this. The first one is what I call a cell technique, and the second one is a surfacing technique. We'll start with the cell technique. Before we begin, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more SolidWorks content. I'll assume that I want to create a protective layer on the face of this shield. First, I will isolate the body that I want to add the protective coat. Next, I will use the Move Copy Bodies command to copy the body of the shield. This new body is going to represent the coating. No translation or rotation required, just a simple copy of the body. This time I'm going to isolate the copied body and use the cell command on it. In the solid body field, I will insert the copied body so it will be the one affected by the cell command. I suggest you use the Show Preview option, but the most important option in this command is the Cell Outward option. This ensures that your cell is going to be created outside of the main geometry. In the Faces to Remove field, I will insert the faces that I don't want the coat to be applied. Finally, in the Thickness parameter, I will add the global variable. Once I click the green checkmark, a new body is created. Renaming the bodies you create is a good design habit for clarification. And of course, I will apply the material of the coat. As you can see, one body overlaps the other as a protective coat. That was the first of the two methods. Before I begin the surfacing technique, I will suppress all my steps from the previous method. Starting from the same point as before, I will isolate the body or bodies that I want to apply the coat on. I will activate the Offset Surface command. In the field Surface or Faces to Offset, I click the face of the shield that I want to coat. I input a value of 0 mm in the Distance Offset field. Notice how the command name changes from Offset Surface to Copy Surface. This creates a surface body in the design tree, which I will isolate for the next step. I will use the Thicken command, which adds thickness to the surface body, and therefore turns it into a solid. In the Surface to Thicken field, we choose the previously created surface body. Make sure you choose the correct side to thicken. A newly created body appears in my design tree. Like previously, I rename and apply the coating material to the new body. We can see that the results are similar to the previous one. But which option is the best? You should try the options depending on the geometry of your model. One good way to choose between the two methods is to run a performance evaluation on your part. With the cell technique, I have 29 features, 6 solids, 0 surfaces, and a rebuild time of 1.23 seconds. The number of features, solids and surfaces do not change for the surfacing technique, but the total rebuild time is less than the cell technique. So for this model, the surfacing technique works best. But why would we want to do all that instead of just applying appearance straight to the face of our model? Because with that, we can get valuable information from our model. By using the Mass Properties command, I can extract information like the volume of the coating, the surface area, even the weight. I can use nodes to print these properties on the 3D model, or even print them on drawings by utilizing Weldment catalysts. I even recommend you save this node as an annotation in your design library for future use. And the best part is that if mapped properly, these annotations change dynamically when we change the coating thickness. I hope you find this video interesting and enlightening. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. Until next time, thanks for watching.